Hello, good day. Well, for today we can check the next topic is binomial cubed. And here, well, it's going to be simple because here we continue with the situation about to have binomials, but now the exponent is to the cube. Okay, just depending what is the situation, if we have an addition or subtraction, where is going to be the difference here? In the first and the last term. Okay, we can have positive or negative term. But if you check, the formula is basically the same, okay, or pretty similar. So, well, that's the situation here. And for today, well, we can apply this formula according about the cases that we have. For example, in the first situation, we have an addition is x plus 2 to the cube. So here, for example, we say this is a, this is b, obviously it's the addition, and this is the cube. So if we copy again the formula, is a cube plus 3 times a squared times b plus 3 times a times b squared plus b to the cube. So here the situation is a cube, well, it's going to be x, we already know that the x is cube, sorry, the x is a, so it's x to the cube, plus 3 times a is x squared times b is going to be 2, okay, plus 3 times a is going to be 2 times b is going to be, sorry, I got the confused here. I got the confusion. So here is going to be 3 times a, we know is x, times, well, b is going to be 2. It is going to be a square, plus b is going to be 2 to the cube. So here is going to be x cubed plus, well, it's going to be 3 times x squared times 2 is going to be 3 times 2 is going to be 6, and x squared is going to be x squared. It's simple. And here we have 3 times x to the square. So, well, to the square is 4. So it's going to be 4 times 3 is going to be plus 12, and plus 12 times x. And the last situation is going to be 2 to the cube. So we are going to have 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be plus 8. And if we check here, we don't need to simplify anything. This is the answer. Okay. And well, that's for the addition. Now the second situation, just to don't make longer this video, is going to be a minus b, and we have to the cube. So this is going to be the same, a cube, but now it's going to be minus 3 times a squared b plus 3 times a b squared minus b cubed. Okay, and here, well, the situation is this. The only thing that we need to do is apply a substitution. So it's going to be 3a, well, 3a to the cube minus 3 times, well, a squared, so it's going to be 3a squared times b. b, what is going to be b? It's going to be times b. And we continue plus 3 times 3a times b to the square minus b to the cube. Okay, so if we apply we continue with the formula, well, it's going to be 3a cubed, so it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3, it's going to be 27. 27a cubed. Minus, here is going to be 3 times, 3a squared, so it's going to be 3 times 3a times 3a is going to be 9a squared. 9a squared times minus 3 is going to be 27. So 27a squared times b. Here, the next is 3 times 3a is going to be 9a. 9a and b squared, well, is b squared. And the next situation is going to be minus b to the cube, so it's going to be minus b cubed. And that's it, okay? That's the situation. So, well, we can stop here, and we can continue for the next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.